What's up, family? I'm just gonna try to record a quick video to document my trade today for myself and then just share with you what I did. So maybe it helps somebody. So I traded SPX today. And when I trade SPX, I look at ES. I didn't even look at the SPX chart today. Well, actually, I looked at it and I saw it filled the gap and I was like, oh, okay, cool, whatever. So I went back over to ES. So this is what it's looking like. We're in consolidation, just, going all the way back over here, just chop, 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 chop. So I knew whatever trade that I took, it needed to be a low hanging fruit kind of trade. So when I was looking at the market this morning, I was like, well, first, this right here, this hit the consequent encroachment of the weekly propulsion block on Friday. So when we were here and we were kind of consolidating, I was like, okay, it doesn't seem like it wants to go low. But when I was looking at it on the 5 minute, I was like, know when to trade and know when not to trade. Because all that chop right there, I was like, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what to do. I'm just going to watch. But then when I saw this bad boy starting to climb up, now clearly we could see this was a change in state of delivery right here. So that would have been a good entry. But I just, I wasn't terribly confident. But once we started to climb up, this is the new week opening gap. I decided, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and take the trade and I'm going to take it to the previous day high. So let me say this. One of the things, once the price got up here, I was like, let me see if it retraces down into a discount. And if it did, well, first of all, I got in here. I should have been waiting for it to retrace to a discount, but I didn't because I was like, I'll get in. If I need to add a contract, if it comes down here, then I'll do that. So I just held it. And so then I was like, Jamie, get out at the previous day high. Now, sometimes I want to target higher highs because I'm like, oh, it's going to run, it's going to keep on going. But I was so proud of myself this morning. I got out on the 752 candle, 752. So what is this? This is a 5 minute. So I got out on this candle right here. So I got out a little early. I didn't make it to my target. But I know, like, we know when it comes up here and takes out highs, we can have a retracement. So instead of, sitting through a retracement and, all of that comes with all of that, I was like, just put a little trailing stop on and I let it take me out. So I was in the trade for 13:43, 39 minutes, and I made $1,540. I mean, you can't beat that. I don't care what nobody says. I don't care that, I could have held here, but I don't even care. I was watching the candles. I started a routine that I, start to walk. I started 30 minutes a day. Now I'm walking an hour a day. So I was like, go get your hour in and just watch the candles instead of sitting idle in front of the computer screen, just staring at candles print. At least I could be productive. So I was on the treadmill all while I was climbing up, and I had my trailing stop. I had it. I hit the review screen, and then all I had to do was hit submit. So then once it, got up here, I just submitted it and I got out the trade, and it was such a good trade. So that's that. So I'm just gonna document this for my. I can take this off now because you know why that's there. Document this for my journal so I can at least see the chart. Let's look at the 4-hour chart just so we can see where we are in the grand scheme of things. I know a lot of people are bearish. I mean, it looks like the order flow is bearish. So really what I'm doing is, trading retracements because I'm just a bullish kind of trader. And so when I do that, I know that I have to target, I guess low hanging fruit, or the first, I don't know what ICT calls it, the just previous day high. I mean, there's what else are you gonna do? I mean, that's the best target. So, usually I would have my take profit all the way up here and then be messing around, but I'm just really learning to just take profit and go on about my day. So I have a funded account and I have a combine account that I'm working on. And so when I was looking at this today, like, we got a double top right here. We, ran previous day high and then went up there and ran it again. So you can anticipate the price is going to turn around. So I just wasn't so sure what to do here. So I said, well, let me look at oil and see if I could just take a trade in oil in my combine. So I think I took a screenshot so you could just see it. Oh, that ain't it. I didn't want y'all to see all my tabs because that's not important. Um, did it say? So over here on oil, I'll show you I just wanted to show this, but where I got in was a order block on the 1 minute. So I just put it in, and at first I had my target here, and then I was like, let me put it down here. And so I said, forget it. Let me just move it back up here. So I made like, $386. So that is excellent. But let me see. Let's see if we can see what's going on oil right now and see if my little exit was just like primo. Yep. Excellent. Oh, excellent, 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 excellent. So if I was targeting like on the hourly chart, this is a rejection block. I think that's what it's called. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I was like, let me just target down here. But I was like, no, you want to target the low hanging fruit. So then I just moved my stop up to right here, like just to, I guess, like a tick above the low. And it was perfectly executed trade. And I think I was in that trade. Oh, let me see if I can show you. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, I got in on this order block right here and just took it to the low. What an amazing trade. Golly. So let me see. Let's see if we can show the executions. Man, I love this stuff so much. Let's see if we got our executions in our combine account. Baby, woo! Mess with me. Look, right here on this candle, on this order block, took it down to the low. Excellent execution. What? Oh my God. Anyway, it was a good day today. I'm really proud of myself. I'm doing really well. I hope you guys are too. Another reason why I documented this trade is because in a study group that I host every week, we try to share our trades that we take. So now I can just direct people back if they want to see my trades that I took today. They could just go look at the video. You understand? You underdig? Okay, that's not the one. And look at this. Ooh-wee! Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well and making money, and just not don't give up. Like, just keep on. Whether you got a back test, journal, sim trade, tape read, it's not easy, but it gets easier. So that's all I got for you today. You take good care of yourself and others. Didn't Chuck Woolery or somebody used to say that? All right, peace.